Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use time jumpers in Cookie Run. Time jumpers are incredibly useful items that allow you to instantly complete a run and collect all the rewards without actually playing. This means you can quickly gain coins, experience points, and various ingredients. They are perfect for those moments when you are short on time, but still want to progress in the game. Knowing when to use your time jumpers is key to maximizing their value. Consider using them for daily quests that require completing a certain number of runs, saving you precious minutes. They are also excellent for farming ingredients needed to upgrade your favorite cookies and treasures. Furthermore, activate them during hot time events to significantly boost your collected rewards. To get the most out of each time jumper, a little preparation goes a long way. Before activating one, equip cookies and treasures that boost coin acquisition or experience points. Choose stages that naturally offer higher base rewards to amplify your gains. Also, ensure your selected cookie and pet are at high levels, as this directly impacts the final score and overall rewards. If you find yourself running low on time jumpers, there are several ways to acquire more. Keep an eye out for special in-game events, as they frequently offer time jumpers as valuable rewards. You can also purchase them directly from the in-game shop using crystals or other currencies. Don't forget to complete your daily and weekly missions, as these often provide a steady supply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.